All right, guys, today we are talking about the percent of a number. We've already done our conversions, and now we want to take that even further to find percents of a number. So, when we're talking about a percent of a number, we're already talking about equivalent ratios. We're talking about ratios that have the same value. And what we've done thus far is we've used double number lines, we use tables, we use tape diagrams. But now what we're going to use are proportions. This is our new piece of material that we're going to learn how to use, and it's already set up for us. So we're going to do percent over 100 equals is over of, or part over whole. Again, percent over 100, because we know percents are always out of 100, and then it's equal to is over of, or the part over the whole. So here are our steps. We're first going to set up our proportion. We're going to cross multiply, and then we're going to divide. We're going to set it up, then we're going to cross multiply, and then we're going to divide. So let's look at our example. It says, what is 25% of 120? So I want to take 120, that's the whole amount, and I want to break it down to only find the number that represents 25% of that. So the first thing I want to do is set it up. I want to do percent over 100. So I'm going to go to my problem. Well, what's my percent? It's 25. And we know percents are always out of 100. Percent over 100 is equal to is over of. Well, it's asking me what is. So that means that's my question mark. That's my unknown. And it tells me of 120, so that 120 is the whole, it goes in the denominator. So we've set it up. Now we want to cross multiply, and I want you to think of cross multiplying as creating the x, or the butterfly method. That's exactly what it is. So I'm going to cross multiply on the diagonal. That's how we're going to cross multiply. So then I'm going to do 25 times 120, and that's equal to 100 times some unknown. So now I'm going to multiply, and I'm just going to do some quick work on the side. 120 times 25. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. Bring down my 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 1 is 2. So once I add all that up, we get 3,000 is equal to 100 times some unknown. Well, now we've cross multiplied. Now I'm going to divide. And what we're going to divide by is whatever is attached to my unknown. I need to get rid of 100 so I can figure out my unknown. Again, I'm going to get rid of whatever is attached to it. It's attached by multiplication because we cross multiplied. So I'm going to get rid of it. And to get rid of it, I'm going to undo it, which is simply divide. So I'm going to divide everything by 100. Well, 100 divided by 100, that cancels out. Now I'm left with my question mark. Then I have 3,000 divided by 100. Well, we can remember I can just cancel out the number of zeros. So I have 2 zeros down here. I'm going to cancel out 2 zeros up here. That leaves me with 30. So that means 25% of 120 is 30.